Hi everyone. Today I am here to share a short story which has made me feel grateful and more proud about this community. So, last couple of weeks back I was in Pune and one of our learners from the channel decided to ride his bike all the way back from Aurangabad to Pune. No big events, no fancy plans, just a commitment for learning and growth. Moments like this actually remind me what actually I have earned: your time, your trust, and your commitment, and more importantly, this community. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the person. The person name is Anirudh Tugawe. He is from Pune. Anirudh is a mechanical engineer. He worked in automotive sales as a business development officer at Suzuki Nexa in Pune. One day, one stranger introduced him to RPA and he was like, yes, this is something interesting. He discovered UiPath through my videos, which I'm very grateful for, and the UiPath Forum became his support system. He chose skill over the titles. He left his sales job, studied full time, solved real time scenarios, kept asking questions on the forum, practiced more and more, and then he shifted from a non technical background to a RPA developer. With his consistency, community support, and the right guidance, it was possible. Today, Anirudh stands confident in his future of automation and is ready to help others to make the same transition. Anirudh also has created his own YouTube channel. I'll hook up the link into the description, so feel free to check it out, and you can also connect with Anirudh as well. And now the best part of the video, let me showcase the journey of Anirudh which he made from Aurangabad to Pune in this short video.
एक मैसेज आया और मैं निकल गया मेरे पापा की स्प्लेंडर निकालकर मेरी मंजिल की तरफ। 232 किलोमीटर का ये सफ़र सिर्फ एक इंसान से मिलने के लिए। थोड़ी सी हवा भरवा ली क्योंकि गाड़ी में पेट्रोल और मेरे दिल में एक्साइटमेंट दोनों भी फुल थे। रास्ते, नदी, नाले और सबको ओवरटेक करके, सारे सिग्नल तोड़ ताड़ के और दिल्ली वाली गर्लफ्रेंड छोड़ छाड़ के फाइनली मैं मेरे डेस्टिनेशन पे पहुंच गया, जो कि है रेडिसन ब्लू पुणे। कुछ देर वेट किया और फाइनली मेरे मेंटोर के साथ मेरी मुलाकात हो ही गई।
Thank you so much, Anirudh, for doing this, and to the wider community, thank you so much for your like, comments, feedback, and the emails which you do over a period of time that actually help me to grow my channel and also inspire me to put this content more and more. In case if you are someone who is looking to start their automation journey, I have the starter videos available both in English as well as Hindi languages. I have posted all the links into the descriptions. Feel free to refer that. During the journey, if you have any question, any doubts, feel free to write me in the comments, or you can also drop me an email as well. And once again, thank you so much for all your comments, support, all the love you have shown to the channel, and which has continuously inspired me to grow this community. With that, wrapping this video here. Thank you so much for watching and keep automating. Bye.